In today's video, I am unboxing my new hair extensions. They are the brand Full Shine. So if you are interested in doing hair extensions on yourself at home, stay tuned for my unboxing. Hi, my name's Amy. Welcome back to my channel, Amazing Makeover, a DIY channel for anyone who's interested in doing a makeover at home. Okay, so these hair extensions I bought off of Amazon, and they are not the best quality, but for the price that you pay, I've seen on YouTube, other YouTubers have used them and they're pretty good quality. I have used them on clients, never on myself. So this is exciting. The first time I've ever bought them for myself on Amazon. So I ended up buying 2 sets of 20 inches of the piano color. If you see, all the colors are labeled. All of Full Shine's colors have names to them, so I ordered the piano. They were $53.99 each, and then I ordered just 1 pack of the 16 inches and they were about $43, so quite a bit cheaper there. These are real human hair, Remy hair extensions, and they're supposed to last you up to a year if you want to reuse them and take really good care of them. So I'm going to open these up now, and this is the first time I'm even looking at them. So I really wanted to open them so bad, but I saved it for this video. So I got these yesterday. They came in 2 different packages. And I did message the company because it said that these weren't going to get here until November. And that was a really long time. Originally I wanted them in for Halloween, but now I'm going to do them probably for Thanksgiving is what I'm thinking. So I messaged the company and was just asking, why are they going to take so long? And they actually did expedited shipping for me. So if you ever order from this Full Shine company, you can message them on the Amazon website and they will speed up the shipping for you. If it says on Amazon, it said they weren't going to come till December. And so that's why I messaged them and I was like, I need them sooner than that. So here's what they look like, the first box. And like I said, they came in 2 different packages for some reason. And it's the same box, but I'm assuming it's just the different lengths. Okay. And then here's what's inside. Okay, and these are just all the different colors again that they're sending you. The instructions are in here actually on how to install them. They just say contact them for any reason, if the color is off or if there's missing parts, if the hair is bad, if you want to exchange or refund or anything. to message them, and they have really, really good customer service. That's one of the reasons why I ordered from this company. And I feel like Amazon in general is really good about returning things if it's something that you weren't happy with. So that's why I went with this company. And then here's the other box. So for the front sides of my hair, I got a shorter length, 16 inches, because I wanted to do some layering in the front to make them blend better. So I figured, why am I going to get the full 20 inches if I'm going to be doing a haircut on myself anyway? So I think that's what this is. And in a pack, they're supposed to come with 20 pieces. So these are the 16 inches. And the lighting's not so good in here, but I do really like this shade. It's actually not as yellow as I thought it was going to be, because a lot of times I hear people say they have to tone them, and the hair is really soft. So that's nice. So I plan on splitting this package up and doing half on each side. So I don't know if you can see this, but that's a really pretty color. Okay, and then here's 2 of the 20 inches. So hopefully this will be enough hair, but I can always order another pack if I need to. Okay, so here's the 20 inches. It's quite a bit longer. See, it's about that much longer. So that way, and then with my short hair, I plan on doing like layers, making it look like layers. So that's why I got the different lengths. But I really like this color though. It's like a sandy blonde. It's got a little bit of a gold tint, but it's not too bad. I probably won't even tone these. I thought I was going to have to tone these, but I don't think I'm even going to tone them. I don't think I'll have to. And then here's the last pack that I got. Yeah, I'm really happy with this color, this piano. It's supposed to be platinum blonde, and it has 8 ash of a low light. The low light is 8 ash. So yeah, I really like this. And it's very consistent. There's a close-up. Yeah, the lighting in here is not so good. It's kind of making it look golden, but so I've actually been wanting to do hair extensions for a really long time. I went to Paul Mitchell about 10 years ago or more, and we briefly learned how to do hair extensions, but I didn't get much hands-on experience. So finally, I've been trying them on a few friends, and they're really, really easy to install. So I'm excited to finally try them on myself as a DIY project and see how that goes. And it's just something really fun to do for the holidays. And I feel like if I would have known how easy they were to put in, I would have tried these a long time ago. I'm going to make sure my hair is fully done, washed, clarified, and everything. When I put my hair extensions in, I'm not going to do anything else. I just want them to rest and let the glue really solidify, and just kind of leave them alone for a good 24 to 48 hours. So I will show you in my next video how I do that. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.